An Amazon promo code that gets you 5% off everything. That sounds like a pretty good deal. Like if you wanted 5% off of this iMac computer in pink, or this Dyson Supersonic hairdryer, or even just some magnesium gummies. You actually can get 5% off of all of these. I left a link in the description down below that takes you to the landing page for Amazon Prime for young adults. You get 5% cash back on all of these items and more within beauty, electronics, apparel. All you have to do is be a student or be between 18 and 24 years old, and you qualify not only for 5% cash back, but also 6 months free. So you get 6 months free and the 5% cash back at the same time. You can't beat that deal. You also get free fast delivery on everything that you're purchasing, and Prime Video, and Grubhub Plus for free, so get all those free food deliveries as well. You don't even have to continue your membership past the 6 months, but if you do, it's half off, 50% off for up to 4 years, or until you're 25, or until you're not a student anymore. That's Amazon Prime for young adults or Amazon Prime Student. You get 5% off so many items. We're going to go back to that. All of those that I showed you before, but if you click on this 5% cash back every day, you can check out all these items. They have featured partner with Apple, so you can see all these different like Apple MacBook Airs, MacBook Pros, you get 5% cash back on. You can even scroll down and filter all this stuff on the left, or if you're just shopping on Amazon, you'll see different items there as well. I can shop by all and go high to low, and I can get 5% cash back or 5% off all these different laptops and computers. And if you are a student, or if you're between 18 and 24 years old, or if you are 24 years old, you can get this deal. And even if you have Amazon Prime right now, you can actually switch to Amazon Prime for young adults and get 50% off your Prime membership. And so even if you have Amazon Prime, you can get this 5% off discount. It's as good as an Amazon promo code. 5% off tons of items, basically everything on Amazon. That's Amazon Prime for young adults. Check it out at the link in the description and go get your 6-month free trial.